Hi, this is the FAIRPHONE 4 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings app and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see media, calls, ring and notification and alarm volume panels, and just to change the volumes you should slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels with your finger. We could here activate also the don't disturb mode. We could turn it on or turn it off to allow some calls, messages or notifications from any people's apps or alarms, to set the schedule, to change the duration for quick settings, and to display options for hiding notifications. Let's go back. Here we could switch the phone ringtone to activate or turn off the live captions. We could show the media player on the lock screen. We could activate and turn off the some haptics and vibrations with the help of the switcher, and to change their settings here with the same switchers. Let's go back. We could activate and turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing, to change default notification and alarm sounds, and also we could activate and turn off the dial buttons, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration touch sounds, and always to show icon in vibration mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.